after all these months, we have finally done it. Oh, it feels amazing.
We're not in the city anymore.
We are in Boracay. Oh my
Look
God.
how beautiful.
This is crazy. I gotta put on the sunglasses. This is
Yeah, me too.
too dark.
I cannot see. The sand is so bright that it's reflecting sun. Oh,
Oh, it's so beautiful.
this is amazing. But first, how did we end up here? After several months in Manila, we finally decided to check out the famous blue water in the Philippines. But first, we had to get to the airport, locate our plane and get on it, fly from Manila to Caticlan, get from the airport to the ferry, get a ferry ticket and also confirm our hotel, get on the ferry taking us to the island, get off the boat and then jump on one of the many taxis waiting, bringing us to our hotel. I love these palms just growing right outside the restaurants, and then you have the beach.
Amazing.
And also some beach babes.
Oh yeah. We are going to go swimming in here later, but for now we have to go. You know us, it's food time.
We have to explore the beach, man.
I'm hoping that we can find some seafood while we're here.
Oh yeah.
That is my big dream. I've been looking forward to this for months at this point.
We have not had any seafood in Philippines actually.
I don't think we have.
That's quite interesting.
Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, the sand. Look at this.
Yeah.
This is
Oh dude.
This is beyond Boracay, no, beyond Goa quality.
Oh,
that's crazy.
This is beautiful. Oh,
Careful.
I have not
there.
waterproof shoes. Maybe I should make a mark as it is there next year I come back. Wow. All right. Yeah, maybe it's better to walk on the stones.
Oh, and we bought sunscreen and we are totally covered in sunscreen.
Yeah, we bought a sunscreen which is really thick. So it's hard to get the skin to absorb it. Wow, look this island.
Oh, we gotta go over there.
Oh, dude.
Maybe we can swim over. But first, let's get some food.
Yeah.
We have to get seafood in Boracay. Hello. We have been so excited about this for many months.
Yeah.
At this point.
Yeah, we wanted to try it in Cebu, but since we got sick and had to cancel that, this is our first place to eat it.
Seafood. Seaworthy. Do you think they sell seafood there? No, it's a boutique hotel.
I hope so. Oh, it's a hotel. But they have a bar.
Percy Seafood. Oh yeah, okay, let's go here then.
Should we? Or should we explore? Maybe we can look at the menu.
We can look a little bit and then we'll go back. I feel like that's where we're gonna end up, kind of.
This is when I watched other YouTubers like walking here. I found it so cool that you walk along the beach and then you have like shops like this. And also a little behind us, we find things like yellow cab at the beach.
I think we even saw the, what's it called? Jollibee.
Oh yeah, Jollibee as well.
But we can't go eating there, hello.
But it's so exotic.
What is this?
Come on.
Spam sausage. No, we need seafood.
We need seafood.
Seafood. Do we turn back and go back to that place? Burgers.
Ah, you're selling burgers. We have to find seafood. Seafood, yeah.
At the seafood dessert, they have seafood.
Oh, okay. Yeah. We want. But is there any seafood this way?
I don't know, but there's a bar and then there's other restaurants there, just like hotel sides.
Oh, okay, hotel sides. Yeah. Maybe we go back. Yeah. Okay.
There's a seafood.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
All right. So our initial instincts were completely right.
Yeah.
We headed back to that place.
Really excited. That was like a hotel bar.
How do you think the seafood is like here? Good feeling. A good feeling.
I have, as long as we have a cook that's experienced with seafood, I mean.
We have some plans to try something raw later, but you have to stay tuned for that.
Yeah. We found raw fish.
Yeah.
Really cool.
All right, let's head in here, I guess.
Yeah.
All right, so our very first meal here in Boracay in Philippines. And we went straight to the first seafood restaurant we could find.
Yeah.
We have bought squid baked into something with couscous. I think there is some different meats in there as well.
And don't spoil mine.
Oh yeah, it's coming. That looks awesome as well. Actually, my mouth is watering at this point.
Oh, this looks
so
good.
It looks super delicious. Actually, I think I gotta go in with a spoon here. Cheers. Oh, it's good. Squid baked in. Lots of different tastes. I think it's a tomato sauce on top of squid, which is a first for me actually.
Wow.
Without any further ado,
I feel like I was a bit lucky with mine because it looks so cool. You can see I have ordered a grilled scallop dish, which is in Korean style, the menu said. So I'm not totally sure how to do this. Maybe I should try one without any salt or lemon first.
nice.
Oh, this is good. I have to try one with lemon as well. Yeah, mine is the coolest one. I'm not... Okay, you can loosen it like this and then...
Fantastic.
Oh, that's so good. You don't even need the lemon. The balance in the taste is so perfect. You get all the salt attached to the bottom of the shell.
Oh, nice. Dude, I have to try one.
No, I think I will have it for myself. It was delicious. But one thing we can say is that the Philippines nails the seafood. Finally.
I've been looking forward to this for months and months on end.
Yeah.
And we're finally going for our very first swim here in Boracay.
Yes.
It's been a long time since the last time we went swimming in the ocean.
Yeah, it's not been since India in Goa actually, which is many months ago.
I can't even remember.
Looking so forward to trying this beach. Woo!
Oh, that's fun.
Woohoo!
We get out there so we can come.
Are you ready?
Oh!
Let's do it!
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good.
The stuff.
Oh yeah.
I'm not ready to lose another pair of glasses.
It's beautiful. And the sand, there is no stones, corals at all. It's just pure flower sand.
Famous last words.
Yeah. Beautiful. All right, so just along the beach here, we found a pretty sweet restaurant.
With a very interesting dish. It's pretty much raw fish.
Yeah.
We have tried it before in sushi and some various, but not like this at all. Jans actually asked if this was sushi as we bought it.
Yeah. And you said no, not her.
But we'll bite into it and see how it is.
Yeah.
Right,
Oh, it looks so delicious.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's a lot of salt. Okay.
Ooh.
No, it's raw.
It's raw. What kind of fish? White, red?
I don't know, it's very oniony and sour from the calamansi.
Sounds delicious.
Actually, this is very refreshing. Bite into this as well, man. And look at this view that we have as we're eating this.
Oh, it's really nice. You have to show them how we're sitting.
Yeah.
It's like sitting on pillows there.
And then we have these beach babes in the background.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. How is it?
I love it. They have a bunch of onions and salad to it. Yeah.
It's very refreshing because it's really hot out there. Anyway, we're gonna eat into this, probably finish it, and then we'll see you guys in a little bit.
This is quite emotional moment for us actually.
Oh yeah, we've been in the city for a long time.
Yeah.
And finally, after all this time,
Yeah.
we have made it to the beach.
Yeah. Just watch this sunset. It may be better on Torsten's cell phone, but this is just amazing. And do you know what I like the best about this beach? Is that we have figured out that dinosaurs are real. Oh wow. The strange part is that they're much smaller than we first expected. But you know, movies and everything. You can see here that in the sand there is some, what is it called? A seaweed. Yeah.
But we can just eat that. It's not the problem at all.
No.
Anyway, we just had some delicious raw fish, and now we are moving on here on the beach.
Yes.
What are we looking for, Jens?
I don't know what we're looking for, but we hear a lot of music. So should we follow our sight or our audio?
Maybe a mix.
Yeah. Hello. Ah, nice. No, at the beach you can even get massage.
If you want the beach massage, that's your guy. Probably way overpriced though.
The problem for me with beach massages is that you get all this oil and then you will lie down in the sand, I assume.
You
and then you will get
like this.
yeah.
Into your back. The sand is...
It will be like marinating a fish with salt.
It would probably be more like exfoliation. Realistically.
Yeah, that's true. You actually have those soaps.
If you need an exfoliation,
Or
that's your
creams.
guy.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are going to look for some more food.
Wow. You filming the beach?
Oh yeah, I already did.
Ah, nice. Don't you have the same drone as this?
Yeah, that's a cool one. I'm sure it's
DJI.
DJI Mavic
DJI.
Mini.
Mini 3.
Mini
Ooh,
3. Okay, I'll do the
nice.
first one.
Ah,
That's sweet. Very nice.
do you feel
You wanna push it? Push it this way.
I do want to try.
what? Okay.
Trust me, this one is going up. Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Film.
Dun, dun, dun.
Whoa.
Who
Okay.
said we couldn't get Boracay beach footage?
Okay, so I guess we're okay.
Okay, careful. Don't run into the trees.
Where are we? We're there. Watch us.
Yeah.
Wow. Really
All right.
cool. Do you know you can do that? You know that's.
Oh yeah, you can do it. Yeah.
That's okay,
Yeah.
but probably dangerous. here.
Not here. See, crowd.
Yeah. I tried to do that with mine and ran it into a tree.
I already ran into the tree. Twice. I already did.
Nice to meet you, man.
Alright guys.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Do you want to go to that beach bar? That looks awesome. Maybe we can get a drink.
And we are at the new restaurant here. Yes, and now we have this beautiful view, as you can see, right next to the beach. And we have ordered ourselves some apple juice.
Pure apple juice, busy, number one here in Philippines. We love it. It's not our age, but wow, Boracay is so beautiful. Even from this vantage point, it's fantastic. And the sun has already set, but you can still see how nice it is.
Wow, just see this beautiful presentation of the apple juice. We have a beer glass, we have a lime, we have ice, we have apple juice, and we have paper.
I feel like it adds a little bit of extra acidity to the apple juice. And also you have this. This is very common in the islands, especially where you can clean up. Cheers, guys.
Cheers to that.
Skål.
Come, Tagay.
Tagay. And it's the next morning. We've had 2 wonderful days here in
Boracay.
oh yes, that's too short. I gotta put my glasses back on.
Yeah.
We had a great time. The vibes here are fantastic.
Love it. It's so beautiful.
It's actually unbelievable how beautiful it is here.
Yeah, this is the most beautiful time of the day, I think.
I
when
think so
the
too.
sea is all the way up to the promenade, or what it's called.
It's like it doesn't even look real. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, we were discussing this yesterday. We were unsure, how can we appreciate this fully, because it's so overload.
Yeah, like while you're here, it doesn't even make sense because it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Like it's just stupid beautiful. And we've had a lot of delicious food.
Oh yeah, the seafood.
And the pizza, I don't know if we showed that. We had a delicious pizza as well.
Yeah, that pizza is so good.
And that raw fish,
Yeah,
that was crazy.
yeah. And also the shells, which you saw a bit earlier, so good.
I feel very satisfied having come here.
Same.
We saved this for our last part of our Philippines trip
Yeah.
because we figured this would be the perfect way to go out. We're gonna make a little bit of a video why we're leaving next. If you want to see that, you can. It's gonna be sad.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you so much for having us, and
Yes.
hopefully we will see you next time.